welcome address.
A very good morning to everybody. Hearty and warm welcome to all to this solemn function. Haji A. Rashid, President of Muslim Jamaat, Honorable Minister, Urban Affairs, Sri Manjaram Kuli Ali, Honorable Minister Tourism, A.P. Anil Kumar, Honorable MLA Kolekode and Kishan Nayak, distinguished guests on the dais, beloved parents, dear teachers, students, other members of staff, well-wishers of the school. It is my privilege and pleasure and also the pleasant duty to welcome to all the distinguished guests who are all present here to attend this solemn function. Before that, please permit me to give a brief introduction of this tiny holy institution. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Memorial School, English Medium School, established in 2005 to give better quality education to the students in and around Venjaramudu. At present, we have got play classes to class 7, 700 students and 50 staff members. This school follows CBSE system. Majority of our students belong to the weaker sections of the society. We have got parents from casual laborers to those who are attending the Todilirappu scheme. From all sects, all creed and all religion. So we say MAM is a secular social public school functioning with the same aims and objectives of the Navodaya schools. Here, each and every parent consider it as their own institution. It reminds us the old Gurukula system of education in the relations between the teacher and the student. The school is charging only nominal fees without any other contribution. The management has granted fee concessions to many deserving students. At the same time, teachers are given better salary with the provident fund and pension benefit. Our teachers attend many orientation programs and workshops organized by different national agencies in CCE, nursery school teaching, English teaching, Hindi, mathematics and other subjects. Our students are participating many programs, extra and co-curricular activities in and outside. 20 of our students got merit certificate in painting issued by the Ministry of Water Resources, Government of India. Our students got the maximum medals in all the schools attended in the Abacus mathematics test. 17 gold, 14 silver and 19 bronze. And our school also, our Samisha of our school received a silver medal in an international competition from CMA Taiwan. 350 students appeared PCM scholarship after passing the preliminary test. We are having a very effective PTA. Besides general body and executive meeting, we are having class-wise PTA meeting to interact with the parents to discuss the performance of our students. The management of the school is simply super. In all respect, always they are ready to satisfy the needs and requirements of the school. I have no words to express our gratitude to the management which is model to any unaided public school in the country. In the history of MAM school, today is an auspicious day because we are entering into a new phase and a new life with determination and promises. I am sure that in all short period, within a very short period, the MAM schools will become one of the topmost schools in the country. Now let me welcome to the important guest here, Sri Haji A.A. Rashid, the President of Muslim Jamaat, who is also presiding over this function. He is the soul and the spirit of the school. He is the chief architect looking after the school as his own child. He used to come to the school every day to give us guidance and advice. I take this opportunity to extend a very, very hearty and warm welcome on behalf of the entire school community. Our Honorable Minister of Urban Affairs and Minority Welfare, Sri Manjalankudi Ali, who inaugurated the school building, is like a patron of the school. We are very fortunate to have him to this function, and MAM is very lucky because of his presence. On behalf of the entire school community, I extend a very, very hearty and warm welcome to you, sir. Sri Kolikod N. Kishan Nayak, he is like a local guardian of the school. As the MLA of this area, he is closely associated with all the activities of the school. He was present in the foundation stone ceremony of this building. I, on behalf of the entire school community, extend a very warm welcome to you, sir, for attending this inaugural function. We also expect your cooperation and help and support in our future activities also. Now I welcome to the holy men who have come over here to give their blessings to this institution. Janab Hafiz Abdul Ghaffar Maulavi, Imam Valiyavalli Trivandrum, Swami Gururatnam Jnana Tabassi, Organizing Secretary, Shantigiri Ashram, Father Jose Kidakedate, Director, St. John's Balangara Medical Village. I am sure that their blessings will help us to make this institution model public school. On behalf of the entire school community, I extend a very warm welcome to all these holy men. Sri Talekundal Bashir, XMB, and also Director of Malayalam Mission, belongs to this area. He is like a Karadava to all of us, and he is very closely associated with all the activities of the school. I also extend a hearty welcome to you, sir, on this occasion for attending this inaugural function. Now I welcome to the very important personalities of Banjaramudu, social, political activists who are all one way or other related to the school. E. Shamsuddin, President of the Trivandrum District Cooperative Bank, Srimati Ramani P. Nayak, former President Trivandrum District Panchayat, Srimati Baby Sulekha, Block Panchayat President, Srimati Anita Maheshan, President Nandanadu Grama Panchayat, Sri G. Purushottaman Nayak, Vice President Block Panchayat, Sri R. Appukutan Pilla, Vice President Nandanadu Grama Panchayat, Sri M.S. Shaji, Member Block Panchayat Vamanapuram, Professor Tornaikal Jamal, Syndicate Member Kerala University, M. Nasser Khan, First Treasurer, Advocate S. Sudhir, Ward Member Puttur, Srimati S. Sarada Kumari, Ward Member Mailakkal, Sri Vennaramudu Shashi, District Secretary Trivandrum CPI, Advocate D.K. Murali, Area Secretary CPM, A.M. Rice, President Vennaramudu Cooperative Bank, K. Meeran, former President Nandanadu Grama Panchayat, Sri M.K. Salim, Muslim League Bhavanapuram Mandalam President, Sri Asnar Ashan, Muslim League Bhavanapuram Mandalam Secretary, Babu Sitara, President Vyapari Vyavasai Ekopana Samiti Vennaramudu, E.A. Shan, Convener, Sadhu Samrakshana Samiti. I extend a very hearty welcome to you all, sir, for spending some time with us to attend this inaugural function. I am not elaborating because these people are very well known to each and everybody of this area. Janab Bhimapalli Rashid, Chairman SIDCO, District President of the Indian Union Muslim League, he is the well-wisher of this school. He helped us a lot in getting the no objection certificate from the government of Kerala to this school that paved the way for the affiliation of CBSE. He is our friend, our guide and our philosopher. On behalf of the school community and also the management, I extend a very, very warm welcome to you, sir, for all the help you have extended to this school. Srimati Jayadevi, Deputy Director, Department of Education, Srimati Haripal Begum, DEO Attingal, are our superiors. They are here to observe our activity and give us necessary instructions for the smooth conduct of the school. On behalf of the management and the entire school community, I extend a very, very warm welcome to you, madams. Now we have got four neighboring Jamaat presidents. They are Janab E. Mujabuddin of Manikal, Janab Haji A. Aliargun of Peribala, Janab M.A. Taj Ardial of Pullambara, Janab S. Abdul Sattar of Kuttara. They are all here to bless us on the occasion of our inaugural function. On behalf of the entire school community, I extend a very, very hearty welcome to you all. Though there is no need to welcome who are all part of the school and belong to the school family of MAM. They are Janab A.S. Abdul Fida Nadvi Al-Amani, Imam of Vennaramudu Muslim Jamaat, Janab Munaf M. Kumbara, Convener, Reception Committee, Janab M.K. Shanavas, Vice Chairman, School Trust, Sri Dilip Vediga, President, PTA, Abdul Sattar, Janab M. Muhammad Sali, General Secretary, Muslim Jamaat, Sri Nirtal A. Bashir, Secretary, School Trust, and Hashim, our former President of Jamaat. All these people are very closely associated with this institution and giving up all kinds of help and guidance. I extend a very, very warm welcome as a formality. These people, those who are members of our own family. And the last, I extend a very, very hearty welcome to all of our parents. All of our parents who have come over here to attend this function, who are all sending their children to our school. And I also take this opportunity to welcome all the guests who are here, members of Jamaat Committee, members of the School Trust Committee, and all my dear colleagues. I welcome once again one and all. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Honorable Minister for Urban Affairs, Mr. Mandalankuri Ali, to give the inaugural address.